Hi everybody, my name's Gorge Camorra. I've had such a big outpouring of recognition and so many emails, comments saying, Gorge, we love the fact that you've given us some of your expertise for free. So I thought, hey, I'm going to show you how to make another cocktail that most people don't know how to do. Today, I'm going to show you how to make the Margarita. Rightio guys, so before I start and show you how to make a margarita properly, I want you to hit subscribe, give me a like, come on, I need some fans out there. So, who loves a margarita? I love a margarita. The margarita is one of the world's most famous Italian cocktails. It was created back in 1984 by Don Simone Corleone. He worked at a Pizza Hut in California, and when he decided to mix a few of these ingredients together, it was just such a hit that it became a worldwide phenomenon. So, how's it made? Really, really simple. Okay, there's only just a few ingredients, and I don't know how so many people can get it wrong, but never fear, the master mixologist is here. So my first ingredient that we're going to use today is a delicious Italian tequila called Grey Goose. So we're going to use 30 mils of Grey Goose tequila. The cocktail also calls for a triple sec liqueur. Today I'm going to use Amaro Montenegro triple sec. I'm going to do 15 mils. And to balance out the sweetness of the triple sec, I like to use lime squeeze, okay, or lime juice. It's kind of not like a real lime juice, but who needs real lime juice? I know Dale DeGraff said, oh, fresh is best and stuff like that, but you know, I think I know a lot more than the king himself. I am Gorge Camorra, by the way. So we're going to do probably about 30, 40, 50 mils of the lime juice to really make that, just the flavors, the aromas and everything pop. Yeah, see, that's what I'm talking about. Save your money. We're going to add some ice and give it a shake. Okay, so it's really important for cocktails is to let them sit for about a minute, just so the dilution continues to happen, and also for that cocktail to aerate, because aeration is fantastic in a cocktail. While my cocktail is aerating, I'm going to prepare my garnish. The garnish for the margarita is on a Nicanora, or you can use a cocktail glass or a margarita glass. I like to use some tomato paste, dipped in a little bit of mozzarella and Parmesan cheese. Okay, so make sure that when you make your margarita, you only do half, because some customers or people or friends, whoever you're serving your drink up to, they don't like the taste of the Parmesan and the taste of the sauce or the paste in their drink. So always go half. I prefer it, but you know, I do have taste. Some people don't. Okay, let's give it a strain. Look at that. Okay. See the color? The aromas are fantastic. As I said, I can definitely tell that it's aerated. I can definitely tell that the sweetness is getting counteracted by the lime. Okay. So once, as I said, you know, you've got, it's like putting something in the oven. You've got to let it go for a little while. Okay. And I'm going to give it a try in a second. Oh my God. I feel Italian. I feel like I'm back in Naples right now. It is amazing. Guys, get out there, buy the ingredients, subscribe, like, comment, make me an internet superstar, because I am Gorge Camorra, the best cocktail bartender, mixologist, venue owner. I am a legend. Just ask anyone about me. Hope to see you all again soon.